Hi everyone, I'm Tanya. I'm a recent graduate from Kerala. I did my engineering from University of Calicut and I'm a 17 pass out. Now currently I'm placed in IT Intellectual in Bangalore as Support Analyst Trainee. I have attended interviews after my graduation. That was the point of realization when I came to know that the theoretical knowledge that we get from the curriculum is not enough to get a job in the industry. So I required technical skills. I chose CourseCube because the feedback that I got from previous batches were good and the student assistance that they give is outstanding. The teaching method here is like they do the programs right in front of us, like in all the different kind of ways which they can be done. So they select the best part and then they debug and show the output to you, and they put it out to us which one to select. So it's like we are learning through an interactive way so that we won't forget it. So that's how they make us understand things from the scratch. So that is the reason why CourseCube training is the best. The placement cell here is very active and student friendly. They help us assisting to get the dream job that we are meant for. They help in resume building, soft skills training, and the grooming session that they give for each drive that comes up are very helpful for the students to get to their dream job, which they rightly belong. I got placed in IT Intellectual as Support Analyst Trainee, and thank you CourseCube for that.